Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block buyer on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all we'll be needing to do is just to search for uh, the buyer account or the buyer profile and simply we can block them from there. So basically, search first for the profile. And one way to do it is to go to their product page or to their shop page. You can simply go to one of their products and basically it will take us to the listing page. Now, if we go down, we'd find like the profile or the name of the profile. So as you can see, this is the name of the profile. Either we can search for it and basically let's just go here and search for it and we can find the profile. Otherwise, you can simply go to the store. So this is the store name. We click on it and then it will take us to the shop page. By going to the shop page, we will find the profile. So as you can see, this is the profile page or the profile picture. We click on the profile and from here you will be able to find the profile. So as you can see, there is something that you can do, which is block this person. And of course, since you want to block the seller, you will need just to click on block this person and confirm by clicking on block, and basically that's it. In case you want to unblock it, you will need just to do the same procedure. You will need just to search for the profile again and click on unblock this person. And by that, you will be able to block this person and you won't be able to see their products again or their listings again. And you will need just to go to the profile page. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.